Imagine making $200 an hour without a fancy degree, without years of training, and without sitting in an office. Sounds unreal. Well, it's not. Today, I'm revealing the side hustle almost nobody talks about in the USA, becoming a platform installer. Across the USA, businesses and homeowners are constantly upgrading platforms. Think modular stages, event setups, gym flooring, and even digital kiosks. The demand is exploding, but here's the kicker. There are not enough skilled installers. That's where you come in. With just basic tools and a little training, you can step into a market that pays premium rates because clients value speed, precision, and reliability. So, how do you start? First, learn the basics. Many USA companies offer short training sessions or even pay you while you learn. Next, invest in essential tools, a drill, level, and safety gear. Then, market yourself locally. Event planners, gyms, and tech companies across the USA are always searching for reliable installers. Once you land a few gigs, word of mouth spreads fast, and suddenly you are charging $200 plus per hour for specialized work.